All the parts are laid out. We have the instruction guide that we go over that has a parts list and the materials. Easy to follow instructions. We're given an Allen key, the bolts, everything that you need to do the job. We have the chrome base. We turn upside down. We take each of the wheels and we place on and snap into place. Close-up shot, thumb on, press. With the base onto the floor, we place on the piston into the area. The bottom base showing that it goes on like so and will raise and lower by the lever. Strengthening and weakening for tilting back and pressing for lifting and locking. The base of the chair has information, front. Simply take the piece, place on, match up holes, and grab the supplied Allen key and bolt. We're going to use a right Allen key and the K bolt, and they're going to lock in. And the blue is Loctite, a washer. Lock all four down. With bolts number N, the sticker facing front, slide out, place on, and match up the holes. Left side, right side, the additional bolts, turn to the side, and place on to the 3 holes. Secure all bolts down. In this step, you have 3M. You have the right angle heavy duty back bar, 3 holes. Place on the bottom, into the center, secure down. With the Velcro backing, peel back. Place over. Once all secured, Velcro close. The last step is to take the chair, turn it around, set up, and lift on. When working with the chair, go over each of the parts for security. The chair is now complete as it flips up correctly and able to slide in and out as a rest and close away underneath. It is a large chair with large armrests with a contoured back that matches your head, shoulders, and lumbar support. It is a soft chair on the sides. It is a firm chair seat. To raise and lower the chair is pushing up to lower down and pushing up and lifting off the chair for height. The chair leans back over 125 to be exact. On the opposite side, the leaning back by lifting up, leaning back 125 by pulling out the footrest and leaning back. Outside to outside, armrest 28 inches. Inside to inside, 18.5 inches. While the seat base towards the back is 19.5, towards the front over here measures around 20.5 inches. And the whole seat from the back to the front is 18.5 inches, and the back height measures 31. The back of the height measures up to 31 inches. The width from the widest point, 24.5, and on the top, 18.5, 19 inches. The arms measure 14.5 inches and 5 inches wide. Soft cushions on the side. Lumbar support. The design of the chairs are squares. They have nice soft arms, a firm base, soft side for support, and the headrest with a permanent lumbar support. To firm the seat bottom from tilting back or loosening for weakness and leaning back 125 degrees by pulling out and lifting up your rest and adjusting to the length you like. This is a chair. Check online for further details about the colors and makes they come in. I hope you enjoy your executive business chair, your entertainment chair by the computer. This chair, on the side over here, we're able to lift up the arm to certain heights, lock into place. They do not rotate or pivot in and out or go in and out. That is the height of the arm. From the base to the top of the arm is 7 inches minimum and high is 9 inches maximum. Easy to sit in, lean back, and lock down by showing before into place or leaning forward and locking into place. Lifting up and lifting down by the opposite arm. Enjoy your chair and thank you for viewing.